Linking your bank account to YouTube TV allows for easy payment processing for your subscription. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're signed in, locate the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Settings menu, find the Billing or Payment section. Click on it to view your current payment methods and options. Step 4. Add Bank Accounts. Look for an option to add a new payment method. Choose Bank Account and enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save or Submit to link your bank account to your YouTube TV subscription. Now your bank account is linked and you can enjoy uninterrupted access to YouTube TV.